leg. I'm just glad it didn't cut me. Because that's what I thought. It was starting to burn. Yeah, I don't know. It's a pretty big tree to start out with. I mean, you've got this and all of that. Plus, this, it goes all the way back. That would be awesome. Alright, I'm getting very, very the hell out of your way. Don't move yet. You already hit one. Let's go over here. Probably not going to work. I don't think he's got enough traction. It's moving, but yeah, there ain't no way. Oh my. Wow. Okay. Do that again. All of these branches to pull them out, and these are in our way. Oh wow, he was right. It totally pulled it over. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, right now we're just kind of rawling, you know, laying the railroad ties out where we want it pad to go. So it has to be 24 feet from the middle of that other one? Yeah. Okay, well, it's way longer than that. It's longer than that. You can't even see it, it's so dang foggy. Hi, guys. You guys ready? Are you guys ready to go in? Hey. Hey, guys. Oh, you guys filled your, how the heck did you get all that hay in there? Hey, boys. Hey, boys. Hey, boys. Hi. What are you doing? Hi, sweet girl. Oh, watch your face. You make me nervous on that barbed wire. You do. You make me so nervous. You make me so nervous. Hey, Willow. Hi, girl. What's up, girl? What are you doing? Don't stick your head in there. I swear, you're bad. Don't get your head stuck. It is super, super foggy. Oh, that'd be my forehead. Look how foggy it is. It's progressively gotten like this since about noon, and it just kept creeping in. It looks so creepy. So creepy. Guys, go in. It's bedtime. You're killing me. I gotta do the night chores because my daughter is under the weather. And then I decided to stick my hand in chicken poop. It was pretty gross. So I had to run in and, you know, wash my hands, put some bleach on them, some alcohol, some vodka, a flamethrower. You know, all the normal things when you get chicken poop on your hand. Yeah, I still feel dirty. So now I have to go inside and scald myself to death in the shower. Good times. Everybody's waiting for me, but I'm waiting for the chickens because they think I got food and I don't. So they're nonchalantly kind of walking around, kind of side-eyeing me, especially Jackson here. Everything's wet and muddy and gross and disgusting. Ugh. I hate mud. I only like wet soil when it's in the garden. I don't like this other stuff. It sticks to everything. Literally. My ducks are so funny. They got this water trowel. See this black one right here in the corner? Jesus. And they drink from it like all the time till they get it muddy. And then they try to drink out of the bowl, and they can't step up and stuff like chickens. But they try their best to get in there. I mean, they get it, but obviously it's a lot easier when it's fuller. It's got water in it, it's low. But they got 2 other water things to go to, but they're so lazy, they don't even want to walk over there. Lazy ducks. Dal and Nell. Dal and Bell.